Hello, YouTube. We are back again for a live stream. Today's stream, we have something a little different. My editor, Cheffy, he has compiled a montage of different animal TikToks that he wanted me to react to. So that's what we are doing today. Actually, before we do, you can see right here all the patrons who support this channel, and I would just like to thank you guys personally with this general, not personal thank you. That was dumb. But I would like to thank you guys for supporting the channel and continuing to do so. If you would like to support this channel, I believe the link is in the description. So that's a great way to help support this channel. On to the TikTok montage. Facts. that last one is like, don't tell mom! Don't tell mom!
Nếu mai sau anh và em có xa, đừng lo nhé, có anh đây mà. Nếu em thấy những
Was that a walrus? And it blew out candles. That's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. I'm assuming it was 10 years old. This one's about elephants. I'm super excited. Elephants are one of my favorite animals. One day, I swear. Novely! You gotta show off my golden. Come here. Come here. Where'd you get? Where you going? Come here. Come here. Come here. Here we go. Nova Lee cameo. Mwah. Baby girl. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Alright, back to the montage. I love seeing different species of animals interact. It's crazy. Like, that dog was not trying to hurt the chicken at all. It was just having a good time. It seemed like maybe the chicken was having fun too. So it just always amazes me how animals interact with each other. Cat and mouse. Amazing artist, you guys. Hold on, that's 2 videos now with a cat and a mouse. Can they get along like that? Is that a thing? Because you know, I always thought that cats and dogs, you know, automatically hated each other because, you know, that's what you see in cartoons and whatnot. And then, you know, then you have my dog who's obsessed with cats and just wants to love on them and have them love her. So, is that a thing? That cats and mice? Yes, a cat will normally eat a mouse, but they could also be friends. That's interesting.
Sí soy, estoy bien guapo.
Pablito el perrito clavó 3 huesitos dentro de un pajarito. Tan, tan, tan. Y otra vez.
Real quick in the comments, we have Brittany Scott saying hi, Nova Lee. Nova Lee, you love a fan. Secondly, real quick, we have some of our patrons in the Discord. Let's do a quick introducing here. First off, we have my live stream co-host as always, Captain Calm. And then we have, who is that? Display names cut off. Who do we got? Ian. Hello, Ian.
What's up?
Thanks for joining in.
It's fine. I'm driving.
All right. Well, stay safe, bud. We're going to get back into the TikTok montage here. Back to the montage. The dog, she barks. The thing there, my wife and I were actually just speaking last night because we have a mirror in our bedroom, and Nova likes to growl at it until she realizes, oh, it's a mirror. She understands how mirrors work. She uses them all the time to look at me or something. But Jessica asked me the question, you know, once she realizes it's not another dog and it's just a mirror, does she find herself cute? Do you think she finds herself cute? And I hope so, because she's a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Okay. Anyway, just a thought about animals and mirrors. Those are piranhas.
Don't need a witch to bring chaos to your house. A cat is enough.
Oh yeah, that's a smart bear. Brittany Scott says, my Stella Nova stares at herself in the mirror all the time, so I'm positive they think they are pretty. I love to hear that. That is awesome. Oh, here's another mirror one. Okay.
She's giving him a hand massage. You like it? What?
Now that's a sign for you, ma'am.
Yeah. You about to get punched? This is fine. Everything's fine. We have a jokester in the comments. Fisherman Kent says, I think you meant to say you're positive. P-A-W. Wow. I see you with those puns. I see you. I believe that is a skinwalker.
Kenny.
You got caught, Kenny.
Bella. No, stop digging. Stop digging. Stop. 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 What are you doing?
Thank you, Chethy, for providing that. Oh, I spilled my liquid. Oh, no. I'll get to that in a second. But yeah, thank you, Chethy, for providing that video. We are going to move on to the rest of this live stream by finishing what we didn't finish last week. But for Chethy and my YouTube audience, if you're watching this live stream as a video after the fact, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. It really helps out this channel. And until next time, good night, my sweet baby angels. I'll see you in the future.